Let me just say, my guest is Peter de Krassel, and he is the author of a book called Custom-Made Knowledge for New World Disorder.
And I refer to us as maids because I think it's up to us to sweep in the reforms needed, first and foremost, with the education system. The No Child Left Behind has been a disaster for the American learning public. I think it's, in fact, left every child behind. Most people, students graduating high school today, are functionally illiterate. They cannot even complete an employment application. So the reason the title is Made and Knowledge is the foundation of a strong country, a strong economy, and it has to start with education. Education has to be brought back to the states, back to the local communities. I believe the Department of Education should be abolished. Washington should get out of the education business and let each community decide on its own how its children should be educated. And only with a strong education and a good education with the basics, geography, history, American history. I mean, American history, the American Constitution is one of the greatest documents and greatest forms of government ever created by human beings. And most Americans don't realize how great the Founding Fathers are. You look at some of the polls. Some of the polls conducted in high schools. Where is Hong Kong? Where is Beijing? Usually it's attached to Japan. It's attached to Korea. I mean, it's been proven over and over again. Americans do not know their geography. I mean, one of the quotes I have in my
that really wouldn't have anything to do with the fact that they very much know who the North Koreans are, and there's a lot of information about North Korea in this country. They may not be able to point it out on a map. Now, come on.
No, let me, look at each poll that's been conducted by Pew. And the opening quote I have in the opening chapter of the book, because what I have in every book is as the chapter opens with a quote. And the quote I have in the opening chapter is, "War is God's way of teaching Americans geography." Ambrose Bierce. That hasn't changed in over 100 years. And you look at all the global competitions of high school kids, college kids, Americans repeatedly wind up in the bottom 10 percentile. They can't compete globally because they don't know geography. They don't even know American history. You look at some of the questions that even Leno or the talk show hosts ask at night. Who was George Washington? The answer is a bridge in New York. They don't even know who America's founding fathers are. So it boils down to education, and that's why this book is entitled Custom-Made Knowledge, because to me, it's the failure of the American education system that is responsible for a lot of the misperceptions Americans have about other countries, including China. It's not just China. I mean, look at Iraq. We've been in war in Iraq for 5 years, and most American high school kids cannot identify Iraq on a map. Let's not even talk about Afghanistan. They have no clue where it is.
Well, I happen to agree with you 100% on everything you just said.